Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split text into columns. I have a sample data here with me. So let's separate this text into columns. I'm going to use split function to do this, equals to split, and then I'll take a reference of this cell and then comma. I want to split this text wherever the comma is available. So here I have comma after first name and last name, age, and country. So close the parenthesis and now hit enter. So all the words are now split into the columns. So this is a one way where we can do it. So let's say if you don't have comma in your text, then you can split these text by space. So equals to split. See, select the reference cell, then instead of comma we'll use space here and then close the parenthesis, hit enter. Now you see the space is split into the columns. So this is how you can split your text into columns. There is also another way to do this. So first I'm going to remove this, and then we'll see the other the second option how we can do it. So first I'll select the cell reference and then I'll go to data, split text to columns. Now I have this thing drop down and I can select by which I want to split the text. So here I'm going to use space, and then automatically it will split into columns. So this is how you can split your text into columns. There are two ways. One is using split function, as I told you earlier, and also there is another way where going to this option data and then selecting split text to columns. So in this way you can split your text into columns. Thank you so much for watching.